Hi, it's Linda from homeschooling6.com, and today I have a fun unboxing. It's Coffee and a Classic. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate when you all come by and visit. I wish we were all here to have a cup of coffee or some tea and just have some fun doing some unboxings. But since we can't, I guess the video is the next best thing. So I got my Coffee and a Classic. I really wanted to get 2 boxes this time, but I couldn't afford to get 2 because there was one that was Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and I really wanted to get that one. But the one I ended up getting was, oh well, I'll show you. They just had so many good choices, but I didn't sell anything. I didn't have any, it's my fault because I didn't get online and start selling some of my books that I wanted to. I should have sold them. I could have got the other one, but oh well, such is life. Okay, so let's open this up. So you can get 2, you have a choice to either get the, I just call it the deluxe and the standard, but they're not called that on the website. So like the deluxe would be the one with where you get a mug and a snack. And there's another one that's a little bit less. I think it's like $10 or $11 less. And it comes without the mug and without the snack, but everything else, I believe, if I'm quoting that correctly. Oh, and if you pay for the deluxe, which again, it's not called deluxe on their website, then you get this nice box. Isn't that just gorgeous, the way they have it all? But this comes off, this thing right here. So then you can use it for your photos or really whatever. I always hate ripping off that Coffee and a Classic. I don't know why. It's not like I'm gonna keep it. Sometimes I do pictures and post them to my blog, so I try to keep everything looking neat. But I think I'm just going to rip it. So we could dive in. Today we're having a birthday party for my husband, my dad, and my daughter and my son Caleb. They all have birthdays in September. My mom too, but she's in heaven. But they all have birthdays. Annette's is on the 23rd, and then we have today's my husband's on the 27th, and my niece Amanda's birthday today, but she doesn't live out here in Texas. And then tomorrow's my dad's, and then on the 29th is my son Caleb. So we have like a lot of birthdays. Okay, ooh, I can't wait to dive in. So I got this one, and this is the Borden Murders, Lizzie Borden and the Trial of the Century by Sarah Miller. That's the book I got. So, ooh, okay. So, oh, look at this. 3 pairs, 1 axe. It's a Lizzie kind of day. Yeeks. So that's this, and it has, I like that it has like this cloth thing, and then it has just kind of like a bookmark, right? Or I guess it closes it, huh? And then you could put a pen right here. So I like that. 3 pairs. I wonder what that has, if that has to do anything with the story. 1 axe. It's a Lizzie kind of day. Wow. Yeah, interesting. I don't know if I want to have a Lizzie kind of day. Okay. Next is, I wonder if that has, maybe Lizzie liked pears. This is a pear marshmallow for the marshmallow cart. How cute. Ooh, I'm gonna put that in one of the birthday gifts package things. Okay. And then this is, let's see. Looks like this. Mine kind of like broke, but that's okay. And it says Lizzie Border. Oh, it's a bath bomb. I don't take baths anymore because my tub, well, that's a whole nother story. When we lived in the other house, I used to love to take baths because we had one of those big tubs. But now we don't. So, and our tub is like 30 years old, so you can imagine what it looks like. Well, actually, it's older than me, and I'm 48, so let's just put it that way. Interesting. Look at this. Smells good, though. Maybe I will have to give this as a gift because I won't be using it. But I like it. If I had a nice bathtub, I would totally use that. Okay, now for the coffee. 40 wax coffee. Interesting. I wonder if it says on the spoiler card, where did I put the spoiler card? Let's see if it says, if it's like dark roast or anything. coffee espresso roast from Rwanda Bean, Portland, Maine. Ooh, it's espresso. That means it's going to be a dark roast. So there's that. And, ooh, the mug. Fueled by true crime and coffee. Oh, look at this is in the mug. But let me show you the mug. I like it. I like the black and the red, and it's red. This is a 12-ounce mug. I really, really like when they're like 14 plus, but 12 is good too. At least it's not 11 ounces. I don't like when I get an 11-ounce mug. I like my big cups of coffee. The first mug I ever got from them, which was the Aladdin one, that's like my favorite because it's huge. So I like this. That's a good size, but 14 and up is like perfect for me. I know like a lot of people don't like that much, but I do. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a bookmark, except mine's all tangled. Look at this. I'm pretty sure this is a bookmark, but I think mine's just a little bit tangled. Let's see. Bookish item 1, that was a bath bomb, and bookish item 2 is, bookmark. Handmade metal chain bookmark from Coffee and a Classic. Yeah, so this is a bookmark. I just gotta figure out how to what am I trying to say? Unknot it. So anyway, I like that. That's cute. Oh, and that came in this cute little bag. Now for the book. Ooh, it's a hardback. My bath bomb, I think it kind of exploded a little bit because everything's kind of dusty. And see how my see how this is broken, and then I think so. There's a little. I thought I saw a little hole in here. Oh yeah, right there. It has a. You probably can't tell, but there's a hole right there. So my bath bomb exploded. So I have like everything's a little bit dusty. So I'm wearing my shirt from my God's Glory box. I didn't think I was gonna like this color. I even blogged that it probably wasn't gonna be my color, but I actually like it. I mean, I like the color, but I just wasn't sure about it on me because I thought it would make my skin tone like yellowish and washed out, but I actually like it. Okay, so this is the book. It's hardback. It's The Borden Murders, Lizzie Borden and the Trial of the Century. And ooh, inside, gosh, I still have some of that bath bomb in here. It has like paper, like newspaper clippings, and then ooh, there's pictures in here. Lizzie Borden, about 20 years old. She's very pretty. I've never read a book about what happened. I've just kind of heard about it. Here's a picture from the back. So I don't really know what happened, why she did that. Was she like mentally ill, or yeah, I don't know anything about it really. I just know that it happened. I know there's like a little, look at that. I know there's like a little chant. Excuse me. So let's see, next month is October. I think I might actually just start it now. So next month is my birthday month, so I'm excited. And I think I might be skipping my Coffee and a Classic next month, but I don't know. Maybe I could do one more for my birthday month and then stop for November and December. I don't know. I did yeah, so I'll see. Well, that's it. That's my Coffee and a Classic. I'm so excited. I love this mug. I want to see what the Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde mug looks like. I bet that's going to be a neat one. I really wanted that one. But oh well, can't have everything you want, huh? Anyway, okay, well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the unboxing, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And leave me a comment below what you thought. And have you read the book or anything, know more about her life than just that it happened? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.